Hi guys, and welcome to my workshop. This is my 5th study with me video, and this video shows what I studied yesterday, which is Friday. And as you can see, it is 7:15 in the morning, and I was giving feedback to Thursday's plan, so I can see how much I've studied and how effectively I had spent time on Thursday. Then I began to do my math homework. I was solving questions about functions. And as you can see, I constantly stop solving and seems to be in a freeze frame. It is because I was struggling with complex questions and got stuck. So I tried to do my best to figure out the solutions by myself, and if I couldn't, I had a look at the answer sheet and got some hints from there. And sometimes you can see my body moving up and down, and it's because I was stretching my body because stretching helps me to get rid of boredom when I'm doing math. After finishing my math homework, I began to memorize English vocabularies. I always use Quizlet to memorize them because it saves time of creating test papers by myself, and also the Learn section helps me to memorize the vocabularies easily. Next, I began to study Japanese and Chinese on Duolingo. Duolingo is my favorite app for learning languages. You can learn languages from the real basics, and it is also free. So if you want to learn languages, I really recommend using Duolingo. This is all for this study with me video. Thank you for watching, and press a like if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more study with me videos. Bye!